awesome. I think even more than last year. I work this table every year, and I think it's even more than last year. We're hoping. Okay.
The neat part about the East Texas Auto Cycle Show, because just last year there were 2 cars in that show that just the other day, 2 cars in that show would climb close to be worth $1 million. And for Harvey Hall, I mean, there were only 7 of these prototypes ever built, and to have a fully restored one, you know, with not having any ropes around it, you know, and that's these East Texas collectors. And, you know, for a car guy, just to be able to see it, there was a Bronco there, the Baja Bronco. It was built by Bill Straub. Straub was kind of the Shelby of Broncos. But, I mean, I've been a Bronco guy for years, and the early Broncos, and I've built several of them, and I've only seen pictures of them, of an original Straub. Well, there was one at the show, and it was all original.
Oh, car. Yeah, we got a car back there to give away. Where's David Irwin?
Where's David coming up?
14 years. Tyler Ford has donated a car for this raffle. Every dime of it goes to the Crisis Center and their programs. And it's all thanks to that man standing right over there. And he's going to draw the winner.
John Morgan. Anybody know John? Or is he here? From Henderson, Texas.
Bill, you know him? Bill Riddle? You know John Morgan?
Anybody?
Lives across the street from me.
No kidding. All right.
Mr. Morgan, my name is David Irwin. I'm with Tyler Ford. Dedicated 65 Mustang convertible. You was one. No, sir.
He's not kidding.
No, sir, yeah. Well, you just won this one. So we just through, so, you are now a owner of 65 Mustang convertible. Thank you for the Crisis Center.